What's going on YouTube? It's Ben. I thank you so much for checking out my channel once again. For those of you that subscribe, I truly appreciate you. Those of you that have not, please hit the sub button down below. And if you like the video and this content, absolutely smash that like button at the end of this video. So today I just wanted to give a little nudge to a few of you. I've been speaking with a ton of people who have hit me up on LinkedIn or through my channel or on Facebook or wherever they found me. All these crazy stalkers out there. No, I'm just kidding. But listen up. Most of the questions I'm getting and most of the rhetoric that I'm hearing from people is, how do I start? What do I do? I'm kind of frozen. I don't know, how to initiate, and that sort of thing. So there's really a billion ways I could explain this, but I'll just kind of put it in the most simple of terms. You have to have a mindset shift to begin a recruiting agency. To begin any business, really, you have to have a mindset shift. I can tell you that, being in the sales world and being now in the recruiting agency space, nobody is going to build your business for you. Your business is not going to start itself. Your clients will not simply come to you. There is an element of grind to this. Absolutely nothing worth having comes easy. The only way to success is through hard work. And so that's what I did to obtain the success I've had thus far and am continuing to do and continue to work on daily. So, I am constantly working on new processes and procedures in order to make things more streamlined, faster, better, stronger, more efficient, testing new emails, working on different client niches, and things like that. And so I just want to kind of throw it out there, you guys. If you're overthinking yourself too much, you need to kind of take a break and just settle down for a minute. Understand that this is not going to come easy. This isn't going to be a simple overnight thing. A lot of people are watching my channel and they're kind of taking a look at things from the perspective of, oh, this guy made $100,000 in 6 months, and man, that must be so easy, or whatever. Yeah, I'm talking to people that are calling up clients and getting agreements set up in a day after deciding to start a recruiting agency. But that's not everybody, and that's not typical at all. And I want you to know that. You have to know that. I think it took me probably close to 200 emails before I got a response, and then another 100 emails before I got like a real response that ended up in a deal, like an actual monetary deal where we exchanged funds. So I just want you to know that if you're frozen, if you're stuck, you're in a place where you need a mindset shift. And I can tell you truly that it's not anything other than yourself. There's nothing to it but to do it. There's literally nothing outside of it than yourself. Nobody's stopping you but you. So, you see the Wolf of Wall Street quote. I think it says, the only thing stopping you and holding you back from your dreams is the bullshit story that you tell yourself every single day. A lot of us wake up and tell ourselves bullshit stories every single day, like I'm not good enough, or I'm not worthy of that, or they have imposter syndrome and they think that, oh, I shouldn't be here, I shouldn't get this, I shouldn't get that. I had that too. I had a lot of that. But the thing is, you must learn to overcome that. So I overcame those things, I thought them through, and I realized how illogical it was to think that I didn't deserve success, or that I didn't deserve to actually develop a business that worked for me, and go after something that, I knew that I could obtain. I think a lot of you already know that everything you need is already inside of you. And if you simply harness that power and go after it, you're going to find success. I can all but guarantee it, because I think that everyone has talent within them that they can take, to the utmost levels and obtain great success. So really, you guys, I think if you're frozen, just take a step back, understand that this is not anything outside of you, this is you. And you really need to change your mindset and get in the space where you believe in yourself, more than you have ever before, so that you can accomplish things. Everything begins with belief in yourself. If you have that on your side, then you can obtain anything. And so I don't want to get into the secret and talk about the law of attraction and get into some rabbit holes here, but let's really understand that you absolutely need to believe in yourself to obtain your goals. So follow that golden rule, and I think it'll take you quite far. That's all I really wanted to say to you guys. Those are my shower thoughts for today. So I'll catch you on Friday. I hope you're closing deals. I'm closing deals. I'm going after deals. And I hope we all find success on Friday and beyond. All right, guys. Peace.